Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Oh my god, today's video is so exciting. Okay, so let me start off by just talking about my Revlon video, the one-step hair dryer and volumizer. Just trying it out, testing it, my very first video. I'm gonna put the thumbnail right here so you guys can see which video I'm talking about. So some companies have been using that video without my permission on their websites, on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and I am just like, what is going on? Some people are like DMing me and sending me these videos and tagging me, and they're like, oh, I see you. And I'm like, yeah, but these companies never asked for my permission to put my video in their website and in their ads or whatever. And the bigger issue is that they are promoting and selling knockoff versions of the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. In my video, I was testing the original one. I was not testing any of these like knockoff versions. So it really bothers me to see that they are using my video, using something that they are not selling, because it is not the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, and then they're just like promoting it and making it seem like if I'm using another YouTubers, like if we're using their product, when in reality we are not using their product. So I just wanted to point that out, and I just wanted to tell you guys, don't order from their websites, because number one, I've heard a lot of people talking about how they ordered from those websites and they never received their blow dryer and it is a scam and this and that. So maybe don't order from that website. But I came up with an idea, and I was like, you know what, you guys are using my video to promote this blow dryer that I never used. I want to try it out. I want to try out this blow dryer, and guess what? I bought the knockoff version of the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. So this is the fake Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. Here it is. I didn't order it from any of those websites. I just ordered this one from Amazon because I just trust Amazon, and I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna buy a fake Revlon, I'm gonna buy it from Amazon. I'm not gonna buy it from one of those websites that I don't even know if they're legit. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try this out, and I am so excited. This cost me $40 on Amazon, and I will link it down below if you guys want to buy it, if this is good, if this ends up being really good. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna do a first impressions together, and I'm gonna do one side using the Revlon, the original Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, and then the other side I'm gonna use the knockoff or fake version of the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. So let's just start with this side. With the original, you guys already know that I love this. I use this all the time. It works for me. So I'm gonna blow out this side first, and then I'm gonna come back and do the fake Revlon. Also, one more thing, some of you guys have been asking me if I am sponsored by Revlon, because I talk so greatly about this, but no, I'm not sponsored. I wish they would sponsor me, because I love this so much. But everything that I buy for my videos, I use my money. And also, some of you guys have been asking me what I use before blowing out my hair. This is what I use, the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. I just spray some of that on my hair, and then I start blowing it out. Let's start. Okay, so here's what the Revlon side looks like. You guys can see, very straight, very sleek. I didn't even use a flat iron. You guys already know I'm in love with this. Okay, so now the moment that we've been waiting for, because I've been waiting for this moment too. We're gonna try out the fake Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, or the knockoff version of that. So let's open this up. I already see it. I already see it, and it looks exactly the same. Oh. Oh. What? Okay. So this also came with it. Okay, it brought a glove. Okay, pretty cool so you don't burn your hands. Oh my god. This looks exactly the same. Let me show you guys. They're like twins. Okay. They're like the same. They're like the same size. This one's heavier. Oh yeah. This one's heavier. The Revlon is heavier. I don't know if that matters to some of you. This and the design is a little bit different. The pink is a little bit different. This has the line, this doesn't. This has Revlon. This one obviously doesn't. But it's the same. It's the same concept. It's off, low, medium, or middle, and high. But this one's off, cool, low, and high. The Revlon. And this one is off, low, middle, and high. I don't know. But I guess we're gonna try it out. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this. And the bristles, everything is the same. Obviously mine has hair and I have to clean it, but the bristles are the same. It's like the same. It's like the same. It looks the same. So now let's see if it works just as good as this bad boy. Okay, so let's just go right into high because you guys already know I put it all the way high because I like a quick, fast blowout. So let's do this, guys. What is going on? Do you guys see this? What? I am kind of in shock right now. This is exactly the same thing as the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. How do they do it? I don't know, but this is the exact same thing and it's $20 cheaper. So I don't know what to tell you. One thing that I do have to mention, it smells weird. I don't know why, but it smells so weird, and it's just, I feel like it's gonna bother me. Like even before me turning it on, it just smelled a little bit like burnt. I don't know why, but it smells kind of weird. Maybe it'll go away. Maybe just add a little bit of spray or something. But this is good. This is good. I'm gonna finish my hair and I'll be back because I'm a little bit shocked right now. And my hair, look at this, it is so smooth and it's the exact same thing, and it brings a glove. So let's keep doing this. Let's just keep blowing out the hair. Alright guys, so here's my final look. To me, both sides look exactly the same. This is the Revlon side, this is the knockoff version. What do you guys think? So one thing that I did notice using both of these together The Revlon is a little bit louder. I don't know if that has to do with how powerful it is though, because the knockoff version did blow out my hair so quickly, probably just as fast as the Revlon one. Let me just show you guys what this sounds like. This is the Revlon. And then this is the fake Revlon. So yeah, the Revlon is a lot louder, but I still feel like this one is pretty good and pretty strong. I feel like it really blows out your hair so nice and so quickly. Like, I'm really surprised. One more thing. So now I know why the fake Revlon sent a glove. I already know why they did that. Because you actually need it if you're going to... See, this is still hot. The Revlon up here doesn't get hot, so it's so easy for me to grab this and not burn my hands and just roll it and flip it and flip it. But with this one, this up here gets super hot, so you can't really grab it with your fingers. If you want to burn yourself, then sure, but I would recommend using the glove just for flipping the ends. At least it brings a glove and you can use it if you feel like it's getting too hot. Kike, venga ve. Which side do you like better? This one or this one?
This one has a, I think, a better finish.
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
That's the fake one.
Yeah, you're joking.
No. This one has more
but
shine.
It's almost the same. It's almost the same. It's not like a big difference.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you guys let me know in the comments down below which side you guys think looks better. I don't even know. To me, they look the same, honestly. Nobody would notice that I use different tools on different sides. So overall, I recommend this. This is very inexpensive, only 40 bucks. And it is pretty much the same thing as the Revlon. Oh my god, and I love my Revlon. I love you. But yeah, this one, I don't know how they copied it, but it is pretty much the same thing. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.